Okay, so we've said multiple times that all Hebrew words have a three-letter root. The final type of roots I'm going to talk about is geminate roots, and in this case, all this means is that the second and third root letter is identical. So in kalal, you have two lamids, and that identical twin letter is in the second and third position. This kind of root is called a geminate root. What you will never have, however, is the identical letter in the first and second position. So you'd never have, for example, kakal with a kof kof lamid. Hebrew just does not do that, but you will get these geminate roots with the second and third radical being the same. Now, related to this, I keep saying all Hebrew words, three-letter roots. What are you supposed to think then when you see a Hebrew word that has only two letters? For example, the word for people, or hates, the word for arrow. In these particular cases, and in some others, what's happening here is that the root of this word is actually a geminate. So the root of people, is actually ayin mem mem with a identical third and second root letter. The problem is, in the singular forms, you don't see that third root letter. It's not represented. But what you'll do is you'll memorize that this is a geminate root. This word comes from a geminate root. And also, what will help you is that in the plural forms, that geminate, that third root letter that's identical to the second, reappears. And it reappears in the form of a dagesh. So when you look at amim in the plural, you actually see that third M as a dagesh in the mem. So you have with a dagesh, there's your third root letter reappearing, and then you have the plural ending. Same with hates, which is from the root hate sadi sadi. When you see heatzim in the plural form, you see the heats and you've got a dagesh there in the sadi, and then you have the your plural ending. So just know that when you've got a monosyllabic word like one syllable, two letters that you can see, in the plural, the third root letter reappears, and you can see that that is in fact a geminate root.